This is Russ with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with another highly requested video. If you think this repair is too difficult, you can always send the unit in for repair. Today I will be showing you guys how to replace the left side top housing on a Bose Soundsport wireless. So let's get right into this. Went ahead and took the left side. I usually just try to peel this off, toss it to the side. Start with using some heat. Go around the housing. Don't heat up too much. You don't want to burn the housing. Probably good enough. Take just an opening tool, any type of opening tool that's very thin, and just go in at the edges. Just start making your way around. So on the left side, there's the battery. You want to try not to damage the ribbons that are by the battery. So you go ahead, just work your way around. Then you could just go ahead and peel it off. Toss that to the side. Got the replacement one right here. Go around it with just a flathead screwdriver and just take off the extra mesh that is here. If anything, you can use some heat because sometimes it's a little difficult to remove it without the heat. Just a little, not too much. Take your time because you can make one mistake and you can damage the whole unit, so just take your time while you're doing this. Take the replacement part, just go ahead and fit it in to see if it fits nicely, just to make sure it's all flush, all even, all leveled out. Okay, which this one is good. I go ahead and take my B7000, which you can purchase on our website. Just work your way around. Not too much of a thick layer, but just to get enough so it creates a waterproof sealant. Go ahead and close it back up. Take the cover again, and then go ahead and place it. And take the rubber band and go around it 3 times. Just hold your finger down right here. Just go around it 3 times. Make sure it holds the part in place that you're replacing. That should be good. And that is how you replace the left side housing on a Soundsport wireless. Thank you for watching. All parts are linked below in this video.